That's it. Vent lights came in. Oh wow, that was a horrible cut. Head cam. Shout out to Phil. Nah. Just a little bitty. Oh! You know, I'm rocking this tomorrow. Auto show. Okay, that's not a gift. Shower cap covering these things. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's the back for the modes. I'm not waterproof. That's smart. Okay, well tomorrow I'll have fun with that. Driver side, passenger side. It says mode, red or amber, standard sequence. Okay, all right. Figuring out all that tomorrow at the auto show. You install them. Peace. All right. Let's get to it. Alright, I don't need to film the install. Y'all can watch somebody else's video. If you can't unscrew two screws, you're an idiot. But man, these lights are the best. Best. We got the different modes on the back. All that. But yeah. When we finish installing everything. I messed up. You can only install it one way. So let me switch the modes and then push them in. And we're done.